Precautions to be taken for allergic cough and cold. To manage allergic cough and cold, start by avoiding allergens like dust, pollen, and pet dander. Keep your living space clean and use air purifiers. Wash your hands regularly and avoid touching your face to prevent allergens from entering your body. Drink plenty of fluids to stay hydrated and soothe your throat. Use saline nasal sprays to clear nasal passages. If symptoms persist, consider over-the-counter antihistamines or consult a doctor. Maintain a healthy diet and boost your immune system with vitamins.